Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your MSI model in system information, so you fetch the exact BIOS file. Once done, back up the current BIOS profile and make a Windows 11 system restore point. This protects you if something goes wrong. Next, download the BIOS package for that model from MSI support and verify the file name and version, make sure it matches. Extract the zip to a short local folder and keep the release notes open so you know what fixes or changes to expect. You now copy the extracted BIOS files to a FAT32 USB drive so the motherboard can read them. A short folder name helps. Then restart and press Delete or F11 to enter the MSI UEFI menu. Timing matters, so be ready. Once in UEFI, navigate to the M-Flash or EZ Flash utility. This is the built-in safe flasher. Select the BIOS file on the USB, confirm the version, and start the flash. Do not power off. The process takes several minutes and will reboot automatically. Once the flash completes and the system reboots, enter UEFI again and load optimized defaults to ensure stable settings, then set your preferred boot order. You should verify the BIOS version matches the one you installed and confirm Windows 11 boots. If drivers act odd, reinstall chipset and storage drivers. If the flash fails or system won't post, try clearing CMOS first. If that fails, follow MSI Crisis Recovery steps with a properly named BIOS file on USB. If uncertain, stop and seek MSI support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.